I'm Tatiana, and I read this book, Burned, by Ellen Hopkins. Um, it's a good book. I like the story behind it. And the girl, she's like a Mormon, and her family's very religious, but she started messing up and going against their rules and just the things that they abide by. So she got sent to live with her aunt, and there she met a boy a little bit older than her, and they ended up falling in love. And she had to go back because she got pregnant, and she went back. She was miserable. The boy really missed her, so he came and got her, and it was snowing, and they drove off of a cliff. So that was like really heartbreaking. It was sad, and but that's how the book ended. Like that was the end of the book. So it's kind of like it kind of just leaves you in a sad state. So I mean, if you don't like that kind of thing, then you might not like it. But it's a really good story. Like even though the ending was bad, it's a good story anyway, and I enjoyed the book.